Petrol left in a generator can clog the idle jet, causing rough running. So you need to figure out how to clean that out.
Okay, what we've got to do is first of all undo these two screws here. And the next job is to pull off this air chamber, like so. Now, be careful of things like this which can drop off, and this gasket. There's also another one here. And let's take a look in here. This carb is basically loose, and but it's held with the fuel line, which can be sort of prized off with a screwdriver. Obviously there's a bit of fuel in there, be careful of that. And now, with luck, we can take the carburettor actually out. Okay, so now what we've got to do is, you see this this cross screw here. Let's find out, this basically this sets the idle speed of the carburettor, so before we remove it we want to know where it's set. So let's screw it in. So we go half, 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5, 3, 3.5, 4, 4.5, 5. It's nearly 5, it's about 4.5. So we'll now remove it all entirely, knowing that it's set at 4.5 turns from screwed in. So very carefully we get this out and place that somewhere safe. What we've got to do is we've got to prise this piece out. This is the actual jet, the idle jet itself, and out she comes. Okay, so this is the idle jet. There's a hole, or at least there should be a hole straight in here, and this becomes blocked by the fuel as it evaporates.
This is brought to you courtesy of miniracing.com. We do giant scale electric style entertainment events and equipment.